Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check what devices are logged into your Microsoft Outlook webmail account. This is an important security step because it helps you monitor where your account is being accessed from and ensures no unauthorized devices are connected. If you ever notice suspicious activity or just want to stay on top of your account security, this is something you should check regularly. Let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Outlook website. You can type Outlook into your search engine or directly enter the official URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner. You will now be taken to the login page. Here, enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. Click Next, then enter your password carefully. After that, click Sign In to access your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on your Outlook dashboard where you can see your inbox, folders, and account tools. Now, to check your logged-in devices, look at the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is displayed. Click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with different account-related options. From this menu, click on My Microsoft Account. This will redirect you to your main account management page. Here, you can control security settings, privacy options, and connected devices. Once the page loads, look for the section labeled Devices. Click on Devices to open it. Now you will see a list of all devices that are currently or previously connected to your Microsoft Outlook webmail account. This may include smartphones, laptops, tablets, or any other device you have used to log in. For each device, you can usually see useful information such as the device name, type, and the last time it accessed your account. Take your time and carefully review each entry in the list. This step is very important because it helps you identify whether all listed devices belong to you. If everything looks familiar, then your account is secure and only your trusted devices are connected. However, if you notice any device that you don't recognize, you should take action immediately. The first step is to change your password to secure your account. This ensures that anyone who may have access will be automatically locked out. Next, you may also have the option to sign out or remove unknown devices from your account. Doing this helps prevent future unauthorized access. It's also a good idea to enable additional security features like two-step verification, which adds an extra layer of protection when signing in. Another useful habit is to check this device list regularly, especially if you use your account on multiple devices or public computers. This helps you stay in control of your account activity at all times. And that's how you can check what devices are logged into your Microsoft Outlook webmail account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.